You all are doing good and are great. And yes, today you must be just looking for the topic, and that is somewhat miscible and immiscible. Right now, what is this related to? So, we would be discussing in this session what exactly it means. Now, of course, here you meet your Shushmita ma'am, and let me just make you sure that along with me, you can find some more amazing teachers right on the platform of ODA Class. So, here you are going to get the innovative live interaction app. So, yes, in the real time, we are going to interact with you, explaining you the things which you are finding out much more difficult. That would be easing out. Now, of course, you might be thinking that what might be the procedure to get into the ODA class? So, the first and foremost and the best procedure is to get into this bridge course. So, here we bring you the best bridge course for you where you're going to get many of the things such as one duration, like 1 week duration of the class. So there will be entire 7 days where we are going to discuss about six different sessions, which will be including 3 sessions of maths and 3 sessions of science. Along with this, you are going to get some more English classes, right? And one of the most amazing things that you gonna get in this bridge course is going to be the personal teacher. So in the ODA class, you will be provided with a personal teacher, and they're going to mentor you, whether it be scholastic or co-scholastic. They are going to guide you for the entire 1 week. And if you are wondering that how you're going to communicate in terms of homework, that is also with us. So on the app itself, you will be given the homework, and for that homework you have to submit right on the app. So you don't need to bother about where and how. It will be all explained by your personal teacher. And of course, about the study material that would be given in the app itself, and we can provide you personally as well. And of course, the test, there might be subjective test, objective test, based on the different competitive levels. So these all features you will be getting just at 49 rupees. So yes, you might not be believing, but this is the true fact that you're gonna get this at just 49 rupees. So how you can get into this? Just you have to just tap on this link which is given in the description box. So this is going to be given in the description box. Just go there, tap on that link, and you are right here in the ODA class. So yes, of course, here you meet your Shushmita ma'am. So I have done my bachelor's from RI NCERT. Also, I have just got the silver medal in my master's. So yes, you all can believe and just come and learn along with me. And when you look into the different kinds of liquids, so we have got two words, miscible and immiscible. What exactly are those words related to? So these words are related to liquid and liquid mixture. When a liquid just mixes up with the another liquid, either it will be mixed firmly or else it won't be mixed. Now in this case, what we are going to get, we are going to get immiscible liquid and the miscible liquid. So this kind of mixtures is now there for the liquid. So if you look into the entire liquid mixture, what does it say? When a mixture contains participants who are in the liquid state. So all the participants are like majorly they have to be in liquid state. So it is compulsory that the components involved in that liquid mixture has to be in liquid state. Now that is only called as liquid mixture, where we get all the component that is going to be the liquid state. So if you look into this crude oil, that is the mixture of liquid and liquid. Whether it be honey, that is also the example of going to be liquid and liquid. Now in case of the hand sanitizer, that is also going to be the liquid mixture. Now, going on a broader picture, what exactly are those kinds? So, first kind that we're going to discuss about the liquid mixture is going to be miscible liquid. In case of the miscible liquid, it says that When two or more liquids dissolve in each other, they're going to mix with each other, and you won't be able to find out that what are the different components available in that. You won't be able to figure it out. So they are going to mix with each other completely, and that means it is going to be miscible liquid, complete mixing of the both the components. And if you get the examples like if honey, which is also a liquid, mixes with the water, it is going to give a complete mixture of miscible liquid. So it is going to be the miscible liquid. Now coming for the next example, you can see that when acetone is mixed with the water, it is not going to show you that it is a completely separate. No, you cannot distinguish in between the two. But when you look into the mixture, you will find that it is going to be mixed completely, very firmly. They're gonna be mixed with each other, and that says that it is going to be miscible liquid, right? Now, just taking the example of the other one, that is going to be your milk. Suppose this is the milk which is being mixed with the water, you will be figuring out that how completely and firmly they are mixed. So this is also going to be the classic example of the miscible liquid, where both the components are going to be mixed very firmly. Then coming across the juice, suppose you take the lemon juice, suppose you are going to take the orange juice, and that is completely mixed with the water, that also results into the miscible liquid. The acetic acid, it is an acid. When mixed with the water, it also results into the kind of the miscible liquid. Now you have got so many examples where you find that it is going to be completely mixed with each other, where you cannot find out the differences between the two components separately. So this are going to be the example of the miscible one. Now if in case of the ethanol, what does ethanol does when it mixes with the water? It is also going to show you that it is going to mix very firmly, and that result into the miscible liquid, right? So here in all the example, what you have figured out that it is going to be in the same state, that is liquid along with the liquid. Now, of course, in case of this kerosene, and this kerosene is mixed with the other petroleum. Now these are going to again mix with each other, and they are also going to form the miscible one. But what happens when there are two components which when mixed with each other, you can find out the differences, you can find out the layers. That says that it is going to be completely like here in this picture, you can figure out that the components are separately visible. You can actually look into that and find out that what are the components involved in it. You cannot just be that yes, they all are mixed with each other very firmly and you cannot find it out. You can absolutely find it out. Why? Because these all, whether it be one, two, or three, these all are not completely mixable with each other, and thus says that they're going to be immiscible liquid. So when two or more liquid do not dissolve in each other, it results into the immiscible liquid, which is not going to mix with each other firmly. Now, if you look into the very classic example, that is going to when you're taking the water and you just spill some of the oil, you will find that they're going to form another layer. Why so? Because oil is not at all going to dissolve in the water, that remains separate, that is going to form a separate layer, and that say that is going to be the classic example of immiscible, which is not going to be mixed with each other. One component is not going to dissolve in the other component, resulting into the immiscible one. Kerosene with the water, if you just pour the kerosene into the water, you will find that they are going to show the separate layers. What is that? That's going to be the immiscible one. Now, in case of the petrol, when it is mixed with the water, definitely it is going to show you the different layer. What is that? That's going to be the immiscible one. Now, yes, what is the exact difference between the miscible and immiscible? Now, when you look into this figure, you will find out that yes, in this case, what you see that entire this is actually a mixture, but you are unable to figure out that there are separate components. Why so? because they have mixed very formally. So miscible substances fully mix in all the proportion. They're going to be mixed very nicely. And in this case, if you look, they never fully mix. It is not going to mix very formally. It is never going to mix fully. So that case results into the immiscible liquid. You can see the separate layers. This is going to be the component 1. This is going to be the component 2. Whereas in this case, the component 1 and 2, they got both mixed fully. So this is the difference between the miscible and the immiscible. Now, of course, if you want to know more such kind of differences in the different phenomena, different kinds of mixture, then you all are welcome to the ODA class. Yes, it is going to be the live interacting app where we're going to just learn by interacting, and that too real time interaction. And in this you can be very like yes, how I can go into the ODA class. So this is the best way, believe me. Just now within this 10 minutes only, there are many people who are going to get enrolled, and I find that you should be there. So if you are finding out yourself very fortunate to be here, you can just be there just by clicking on the link which is given in the description box. Click on that and you just need to pay 49 rupees, where you're going to get these many features. So there's going to be duration of 1 week. Along with that, you will be getting you will be getting 3 sessions of math, 3 sessions of science, that will be completely beneficiary for you. And then when you get the personal tutor, where do you get the personal tutor? This personal tutor is going to help you in all of the subject, whether it be any subject. If you have a single problem, they will solve it out. You are going to get two teachers for each subject, and this is very phenomenal thing that is there in the ODA class. Believe me, I too love it. And now here, in case of the study materials, you're going to be provided with classic study material with all the concept in a very easy manner, flow chart, concept map. Very easily you will be getting to know that yes, this is the way how I can get into the concept. And then of course there will be test and homework also. So yes, why to be late? Just click on this link that is given in the description box, and I am going to see you there in the course. Okay, so yes, I'm going to meet you. And along with this, definitely we are going to provide you different gifts. So this is just like a reward to you. If you do good, if you do well, you're going to earn the coins. You're going to just order these gifts and there it is with you. So yes, this is the phase where you just learn and earn. So yes, if you are learning, absolutely you are earning also. You can win any of the gifts and be the part of the ODA class. So yes, if you have liked this session, you can just hit the like button, do share it and do subscribe it. Let me see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Thank you.